everyone, and welcome back to Sarah's Craft Corner. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to knit stranded color work with using two hands. This is used a lot for doing fair isle work and different means of color work. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To knit fair isle using two hands, you'll need to have a basic understanding of both English and continental knitting. You'll use one thread held in your left hand like continental and one thread held in your right hand like English. You generally want your more dominant color, that means your contrasting color, the one you really want to pop out, into your left hand, while you have your background or main color in your right hand. This will help it so that way the stitches stand out more like they need to. And using both hands, we just start to knit as usual. You want to knit along following your pattern. As you need your contrasting color, you will knit those stitches. When you need your main color, you will then just use the yarn from your other hand. This method can be a little bit tricky to learn. However, it allows you to be able to do color work without constantly twisting and having to untwist your yarns. So it makes it for a much more even gauge and a much more beautiful finish. It also allows you to control how much prominence your colors will have. When you're knitting color work with only one hand while switching the yarns constantly, you're not going to get a color that stands out as much. So it's really good to make your contrasting colors pop. So we just continue along, and as I need the light gray color, which is using our background color, I will use yarn from my right hand, and as I need my mauve or my contrasting color, I'll pick the yarn from my left hand. And as you see, it never switches, the yarns aren't getting twisted, so it makes it a lot easier and a lot faster to do your color work using these hands. Can be a bit tricky to learn and a bit tricky to get comfortable with, so I would recommend, if you're used to knitting in English, I would recommend trying continental to get the hang of it before you start using two colors. And if you're more used to continental, I would try using English just to get the hang of it. It's both types of knitting. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you check out our pattern for our Amanda hat, available as a free download as a gift to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe this video, and leave me any messages in the comments if you found this helpful or if there's other things you'd like to know. Thank you. See you next time.